Have you ever wondered what makes a military base so secure? It's not just about guards and gates. It's a masterpiece of engineering designed to be an impenetrable fortress. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible ways military bases are built for maximum security. First up, let's talk about the perimeter. Forget your average fence. Military bases use multiple layers of defense. We're talking high-tensile steel fences that are incredibly difficult to cut or climb, often topped with razor wire. But that's just the start. Many bases incorporate anti-vehicle barriers like deep ditches, concrete blocks, or even retractable steel bollards that can stop a truck in its tracks. These aren't just placed randomly, they're strategically positioned to control all entry and exit points, forcing any vehicle to slow down and navigate a very specific, easily monitored path. Beyond the physical barriers, surveillance is key. Modern bases are covered in a web of advanced technology. We're talking high-resolution cameras with night vision and thermal imaging capabilities, meaning there's nowhere to hide, day or night. But it gets even more high-tech. Ground sensors can detect footsteps or vehicle vibrations from miles away, alerting security forces long before anyone gets close. And let's not forget the drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles provide a constant eye in the sky, offering real-time surveillance over vast areas without putting personnel at risk. This creates a digital fortress that complements the physical one. Now, let's look at the buildings themselves. Military structures aren't your typical office buildings. They're built to withstand extreme events. Think reinforced concrete walls, several feet thick, capable of absorbing the impact of an explosion. Windows are often made from ballistic glass, which can stop bullets. The layout is also crucial. Buildings are strategically spaced apart to minimize damage if one is attacked. Critical command centers and data hubs are often located deep underground, protected by layers of earth and concrete, making them nearly impossible to reach or target from the air. This bunker approach ensures that even under direct assault, the command and control functions of the base can continue to operate. Access control is another vital layer. Getting onto a base isn't as simple as showing an ID. It involves a multi-step verification process. At the main gate, you'll encounter armed guards, vehicle inspections with mirrors to check the undercarriage, and sometimes even explosive sniffing dogs. For sensitive areas within the base, security gets even tighter. This can include biometric scanners that use fingerprints, retinal scans, or facial recognition. The principle is called defense in depth, meaning an intruder would have to breach multiple independent security layers to get to anything important. Finally, there's the human element, which is arguably the most important. All this technology is useless without highly trained personnel. Military security forces undergo rigorous training in threat assessment, defensive tactics, and rapid response. They run constant drills and simulations, preparing for every imaginable scenario, from a lone intruder to a full-scale coordinated attack. This constant state of readiness ensures that when an alert is triggered, the response is immediate, precise, and effective. The combination of well-trained people and cutting-edge technology is what truly creates the shield around a military base. So, from layered fences and intelligent surveillance to blast-proof buildings and elite security teams, a military base is an incredible feat of security engineering. It's a system where every single component is designed to work together to create a near-impenetrable safe zone. It really makes you appreciate the thought and planning that goes into protecting our service members. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into military engineering interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into amazing technology and structures. See you in the next video.